working as an assistant professor with IIFT, and she's my model. Her name is Suvina, and today we are going to do 3 styling for an oversized t-shirt. As you can see, she's wearing an oversized t-shirt. We are going to do 3 variations using a very basic element, which is a bangle and a rubber band. Okay, so we'll begin with the very first styling. Alright, so what I am planning to do is I am planning to focus on only the sleeve area. And as I told you, the material is going to be the bangle and the rubber band. So we are going to use these nice durable rubber bands because they will make it, they will stay on the garment for a longer time. Okay, so now I am going to start doing the styling. So for the very first styling, I am going to make this t-shirt come on one side shoulder, as you can see. So we can just ask the model to be at one side. I'm going to insert the bangle, take my rubber band, and I'm just going to tie it twice. Okay, so as you can see, this itself adds a lot of element to the whole look. Continue it to give more look and more texture to that particular style. So I'm taking another bangle and I am going to see how beautiful the detailing looks. And now we are going to do our second styling, and in this I am going to focus on the neck. Alright, now this is a kind of the styling which can be done especially when you don't want to wear anything on the neck, and there's going to be a lot of texture and enhancement which will happen on the neck. So let me show you how it works. So what I'm doing is I've taken a bangle and I'm going to focus on the center of the t-shirt part. So as you can see, this also can be one of the style where you're just putting one band, but we are going to add more texture to it. So this is the second thing, and to balance the second bangle, as we have first focused on the center, we have focused on the right side, and now we are going to focus on the left side. So here, again, and see, as I told you, all the attention goes on the neck, and again this is a very innovative style for the oversized t-shirt that you can do. And it is adding a lot of detailing to the neck. Okay, so now we'll move on to our third style. So I have let the very first bangle be as it is, bangle and the band. And now what we are going to focus on is the center. Okay, so I am going to start doing the styling again. So I am taking more of my bangles and I am going to focus only on the center. So what will happen? This length will get pulled and it will come above a little above the waistline. So which is what I am trying to do for this particular style. So I will keep repeating the same. We are trying to pull everything in the center and let it come little at the waistline. So this is my third look. Okay, and again, for this kind of thing, you can just have a small pendant and a neck chain, and the focus again comes on the center. So again, this also adds a lot of X element. This can also be worn formally, though it being an oversized t-shirt, you can also kind of carry it off formally as well. So these are the 3 looks I created.